Okay, so I'm a little late on this, but my fridge actually conked out yesterday. It's 8 years old, and I think the compressor stopped working. It might need some refrigerant. But anyways, um, this ice maker had cracks in it from trying to pull it out and stuff like that. So while I have the fridge pulled down, I just took some baking soda and put it over this part right here. This part was just an open hole. So what I did was I put some tape on the other side and then poured some baking soda in it. And now I'm gonna take some crazy glue or whatever, crazy glue, and pour it in that. And it's gonna become like a hard shell. If everything goes right. Hold on, let me put it. Go. Hopefully. Ooh, it's not soaking in. It's kind of thick. I think the super glue is getting old, so it's not as thin as it should be. I'm gonna use a newer super glue. Give me a second. Good, this one is soaking right in. And there's a little crack there. I'll put some. All right, I think that's about it. All right, so I'm just gonna wait for this to dry and then I'm gonna show you the results. All right, so let's review my fix. I covered over all of the cracks with the baking soda and super glue. And it's pretty tough. I'm just gonna let that sit. Just gonna let that sit for about an hour, and then I'm gonna pull off the tape and see what happens. All right, just to give you a little update. This is the fix. All right, this purple spot used to be a large hole. I wish I had all white super glue, but I had some purple crazy glue that I put on there. That was a little bit out of date, so it was a little bit difficult to work with because it was thicker. But it turned out fine, and here's the inside of it. Okay, so you can see the crack on the inside, but I'm not going to deal with the crack on the inside because I dealt with it on the outside. And yeah, this is what you can do if you have a hole in any kind of plastic. Actually, it's very hard. It's a very solid bond. And also, the guys came to repair the fridge. As it turns out, it was a relay in there that kicked on the compressor that was stuck. So they kind of opened it up and just, I don't know, MacGyvered it. And I ordered a new one online, so if it ever conks out again, we just replace it. Anyways, let me open up the freezer and shove this back in. All right, and we are good to go. Fridge is freezing again and everything's normal.